In this tutorial, you'll learn how to transfer your Canva website content into Google Sites by using the embedding and sharing features. Start by selecting this projects menu. Then choose the new projects and services card to access your Canva website design and prepare it for publishing. Click the Publish Website button to make your project live. Once published, open Settings to manage your site options. Then use the Share button to generate access and export features. Next, click the Download option to save your site content. If you have previous embed links, you can remove any old embed codes that are no longer in use. Now switch over to Google Sites, select the blank site option to begin, and in the Pages tab, choose New Link to set up your embedding structure. Enter a descriptive name for your full page embed and click Done to confirm this page addition. Add a new embed, then either enter a URL or paste the HTML code for your Canvas site, making sure it's the correct link for display in Google Sites. In Canva, open the Templates panel and click Copy on the embed code to save it to your clipboard for use in Google Sites. Back in Google Sites, select the embed code area and paste your Canva code. Then use the Next and Insert buttons to finish adding your website content as an embedded page. You've now successfully embedded your Canva website into Google Sites.